Trick that I trained him to do for this movie. Maverick, go give me a root beer. That's okay, Chantal. 1, 2, 3. All right, cheer them on. All they gotta do is pump the Come on, let's hear it for the Blue Dog. Let's hear it for Kelly. Let's hear it for Maverick. Look at those athletic dogs. This game not only teaches agility, but it also teaches the dog to have drive. Because they were sitting there and jump until that balloon is coming. They might need a little help because the show is not that Alright, come on guys, don't wing it. They're working for you. They're working for you guys. You might need a little help though. Alright, now let's look at time. Let's hear it for Maverick and Cutaway. Alright, we got ourselves a tie.